Number 10. Ruby Falls. Ruby Fall is the most popular underground waterfall in the United States, attracting over 4 lakh visitors every year. Founded in city of Chattanooga, which is set along the Tennessee River, Ruby Fall is also the deepest commercial limestone cave in the United States. It was named for Ruby Lombard, the wife of the man who first discovered it. The 145-foot waterfall containing high levels of magnesium, which is known as a natural laxative, so don't drink too much of it. Number 9. Ice Cave Waterfalls. Iceland's ice caves are fascinating because they change locations every year and often features breathtaking waterfalls. The light reflecting off the ice inside the caves contribute to the magical feel of these amazing wonders. Of course, if you have underground waterfalls, you have underground rivers too. Take a look at the running water in this ice cave called as Crystal Ice Cave. Number 8. Pamukkale, which basically means cotton castle in Turkish. It's located in southwestern Turkey and its famous terraces are made of travertine, which are carbonate minerals which have been left by the flowing water. This amazing natural structure is 8,860 feet long, 1,970 feet wide and 525 feet high. The spot has been used as a natural bath for centuries. When the ancient Greeks and Romans found it, they quickly discovered the curative properties of it. For years, springs have attracted crowds of tourists who are blown away by the splendor of the hardened calcium bicarbonate rolling over the cliffs. Number 7. Underwater Waterfall. In the Republic of Mauritius, the volcanic island nation in the Indian Ocean, you will find this spectacular underwater waterfall. Yeah, that does sound strange, doesn't it? And technically it isn't a waterfall per se, but it's pretty incredible and strange, so we had to include it in this list. This magical natural occurrence is actually just an optical illusion that makes it look like there's an underground waterfall within the ocean. As the sand and sediments sink further into the sea from one coastal level to a much more deeper one, it just looks like a marvelous waterfall. Number 6. Blood Falls. In McMurdo Dry Valley in Antarctica, a bright red 5-story high waterfall pours from the Taylor's Glacier into Lake Bonny. Of course, it's not real blood. Blood Falls actually got its name from a 5-million-year-old underground water lake, whose iron-rich water seeps through an opening in the glacier and deposits blood-red stains on the ice when it falls. Today's salt content is so high, even 3 times greater than seawater, that the water can't freeze. Number 5. Cameron Falls, located in Waterton Lakes National Park in the province of Alberta, Canada. Cameron Falls looks totally amazing in the month of June because an extremely rare phenomenon occurs and makes the fall pink. This is caused by the torrential rains that stir up particular or mineral, and when the light reflects on it, it turns the water to a beautiful pinkish red. Number 4. The Bigar Waterfall. Though it isn't especially impressive as far as size or flow, the Bigar Waterfall boggles the mind because of its special shape and peculiar location. The water comes off a cliff which is covered in moss and falls into a small river. Located on the 45th parallel, the Bigar is exactly halfway between the North Pole and the equator, making it one of the most unique waterfalls in the world. Number 3. Horizontal Falls. There are only 2 horizontal falls in the world, and they are both found deep within Talbot Bay, archipelago of the Kimberley region of Western Australia. A great amount of water is pushed through this pair of gorges in the McClarty's Range. It comes from powerful tidal waves that produce spectacular temporary waterfall that can measure up to 15 feet. Number 2. Fog Waterfalls. In a country renowned for its amazing landscapes and natural miracles, the Fog Waterfall was captured on camera and on video by a Kashtongan Stinson, a native Icelander. It's apparently caused by an inversion in temperature, hot rising air acting as a seal and keeping cold air trapped, thus creating fog that falls off. Number 1. Horsetail Falls. In winter and early spring, Horsetail Fall flows from the El Capitan mountain from two different streams and then drops about 1570 feet on the slabs of rock, which creates a mist that goes up. Then the water continues its own way another 500 feet to the bottom of the mountain. In the last 2 weeks of February, Horsetail goes through an amazing change and becomes like a fire fall as night falls, and the last rays of sun melts away. They hit the water and reflect off the falls at the exact right angle, creating an amazing effect that looks like a cascade of fire.